Experiment number 8. Aim to synthesize meta-dinitrobenzene from nitrobenzene. Okay, to synthesize meta-dinitrobenzene from nitrobenzene. Then reaction of this synthesis. This is the structure of nitrobenzene. One nitrobenzene. NO2 atom attached at benzene ring. That is called the one nitrobenzene or nitrobenzene. This nitrobenzene is react with HNO3, nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid. In presence of H2SO4, it gives meta-dinitrobenzene, or it is also called as the 1 and 3 position nitro group is attached. That's why it is also called as the 1,3-dinitrobenzene. Okay. In that reaction, H2SO4 it is used as the only solvent. Okay. That's why in that structure, no formation of SO4 or H2SO4. Okay. The next one is the mechanism. It is a two-step mechanism. Step 1 and step 2. Step 1, in that step 1, this is the structure of H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H2S and O4. It react with nitric acid, HNO3, HNO3. Okay, it gives in that reaction this OH and hydrogen atom. Here is the formation of H2O. H2O means this oxygen atom attached this OH group, and here is the formation of OH bond. Okay, and here is the formation of water molecule H2O, and remaining structure is same, N double bond O, O minus, and HSO3. Okay, the next step, removal of water molecule. H2 is removed in that reaction, and then next this negative charge attack here means here is the formation of N double bond O, means O double bond N double bond O. Here is the formation of N double bond O, double bond O. Okay. Then next structure, this NO2 is attached to nitrobenzene. This NO2 is attached to nitrobenzene. NO2 means this is the structure of nitrobenzene, and it react with first step product. Okay. N double bond O, NO2. Then this positive charge, here is a positive charge. This positive charge attack here means here is the removal of double bond. This double bond is removed in that reaction. Double bond is removed. That's why hydrogen atom is here, and here one is a hydrogen atom, and this NO2 is attached here. Okay. In that reaction, this one bond is shifted here means here is the formation of NO minus. NO minus. Then next step, remaining water molecule attaches here OH2 or H2O. The next step, removal of hydronium ion H3O plus, H3 and O plus. In that reaction, removal of hydronium ion, and this bond is shifted here means here is the formation of this bond is shifted here means here is the formation of double bond, and remaining same NO2. This negative charge attack here means here is the formation of N double bond O, means here is the formation of NO2 and NO2, and formation of here meta-dinitrobenzene. Okay, it is the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay, this is the mechanism and reaction of meta-dinitrobenzene. The next one is the calculating part. In that calculation, first theoretical yield 1 mole of nitrobenzene is equivalent to 1 mole of meta-dinitrobenzene. Then add here molecular weight of nitrobenzene, then is equivalent to molecular weight of meta-dinitrobenzene. Okay. Then X is equal to theoretical yield, then practical yield, and percentage yield is equal to practical yield divided by theoretical yield into 100.